This week, Google launched AI Mode in India. WhatsApp users can now generate AI images with ChatGPT. Amazon Ring adds generative AI-powered video descriptions to doorbells and cameras. In this video, we'll uncover everything happening in the world of tech and AI, followed by some crazy use cases and creative outputs that users have generated using AI. We'll also break down how you, as a founder or business professional, can take maximum advantage of them. Welcome to the Cutting Edge School enabled by 01 Network by Zerodha. I am Devanshi, a real human and not an AI avatar, and you are watching the Cutting Edge News. Google just introduced a smarter, more powerful version of search in India, and it's absolutely free. It's called AI Mode, and this new feature can change your search experience. It breaks down complex, multi-layered questions, which means you no longer need 10 different tabs for a query. AI Mode brings everything you need in one place with organized resources displayed right beside your results. In fact, AI Mode is multimodal, which means you can type, speak, or even upload an image and it understands it all. Also, Google launched Doppel, a new experimental app for trying outfits virtually. Doppel AI helps visualize how different clothes might look on you, all by uploading a full body photo. You can experiment with photos or screenshots of outfits from thrift stores, social media, or your own gallery and see them styled on a virtual version of you. Doppel even turns static images into AI-generated videos, giving you a realistic preview of how the clothes would move with you in real life. Also, you can save your favorite looks, build collections, and even share them with your friends. Currently, it's available only in the US on iOS and Android as part of Google Labs. WhatsApp users can now generate AI images with ChatGPT. OpenAI has integrated its image generator directly into WhatsApp, allowing users to create and share images within the chat instantly. Free users get one image a day and premium users get more. Just save the ChatGPT number, link your account, and start prompting. This feature is currently rolling out in countries where ChatGPT is already available on WhatsApp. Besides images, ChatGPT on WhatsApp can help you with recipes, emails, proofreading, or language translations all in one chat. Food and Drug Administration (FDA) launches a agency-wide AI tool to improve public service. From tracking food safety to speeding up drug approvals, the AI tool is built to make critical decisions smarter and quicker. This powerful system will help the FDA analyze data faster, spot safety issues sooner, and respond to public health needs more efficiently than ever before. But what does that mean for you? It means that safer food comes on your plate, faster access to life-saving medicines, and more responsive healthcare updates, all powered by responsible AI. The FDA says this tool isn't here to replace human judgment, it's here to enhance it. And with careful oversight and ethical guidelines in place, it's a step towards a future where technology and public service work hand in hand for the greater good. The UAE is launching the world's first AI minister in 2026. Can you imagine a government minister who never sleeps, never takes a break, and processes data in real time? Well, starting in 2026, the UAE is making that a reality by appointing the world's first AI minister, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum. Prime Minister and ruler of Dubai on Friday announced that the National Artificial Intelligence will be an advisory member of UAE cabinet starting January 2026. The motive behind this is for the AI to act as an advisor to the nation's top decision makers, helping them analyze complex policies, check for risks, and spot mistakes faster than ever, cutting delays by up to 70%. This AI minister will not vote or make final political decisions, but will guide human leaders with data-backed insights. The world is watching as the UAE leads the way into a future where leadership combines human values with smart AI. This could be the beginning of a new era, and Dubai is the first to make it real. Apptronik has launched Elevate Robotics. Apptronik, the Austin-based robotics company known for its humanoid robot Apollo, is expanding with a new division, Elevate Robotics. Unlike Apollo, Elevate will focus on building task-optimized machines designed for heavy-duty industrial use. These purpose-built systems are capable of handling massive loads and operating in extreme environments. This new division will leverage Apptronik's decade-long expertise in robotics, including advanced exoskeletons and robotic limbs, to develop powerful next-generation platforms. Elevate's mission is simple: to go beyond human-like robots and build powerful machines designed to handle the toughest jobs better than humans can. Amazon Ring adds generative AI video descriptions to doorbells and camera. This feature uses AI to summarize what triggered a motion alert in a simple, easy to understand sentence. For instance, instead of just a generic alert, you might see a person is walking up the steps with a black dog. The AI analyzes the first few seconds of the video clip to highlight only the most relevant activity, helping users quickly decide whether they need to take action or not. This feature is currently available in beta for Ring Home Premium subscribers in the US and Canada. It is expected to expand to more regions after the initial testing phase. Anthropic upgrades Claude with new app building capabilities. Using its Artifacts workspaces, anyone can now create, host, and share AI-powered interactive apps straight from text prompts. You can describe what you want and Claude will build the app around it without coding. This expands Claude's use from just chat to actual shareable tools. You can run the app entirely inside the Claude ecosystem or export them for wider distribution. Legal AI startup Harvey has raised $300 million in Series E at a $5 billion valuation, making it the highest valued legal AI company so far. Founded just 3 years ago, it now serves over 337 legal clients in 53 countries, automating tasks like document review, contract drafting, and due diligence. Harvey plans to expand from legal into tax and accounting next, and the company will also double its 340-person team to accelerate growth. They aim to become the go-to AI partner for lawyers worldwide, combining speed and accuracy. AI Avatar sells $7 million on livestream, outselling human creators. In a recent Baidu livestream, 2 Chinese creators made over $7 million sales during a 6-hour livestream. The crazy part is neither of them were real. They were just digital twins, and they broke Luo's previous human sales record in just 26 minutes. These avatars were trained on 5 years of Luo's own videos to copy his jokes, voice, and style. Baidu's AI pre-generated 8,000 gestures so they'd look totally natural on screen. They showcased about 133 products, answered live questions, and reacted just like real humans. If you are a business owner, you can save a ton of money on production teams and fancy studios with this AI technology. Google launched Gemini CLI, an open source AI coding assistant for developers. This new tool brings the intelligence of Gemini directly into the command line, aiming to ease the development workflows by assisting with tasks like providing code snippets and debugging. It's envisioned as a helpful, accessible, and customizable companion for all developers, poised to change daily coding routines. Let me know in the comment section if you found this video useful, and if there are any other topics you would like us to cover or analyze. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you get notified when we upload the next video. We hope that you're taking care of your mind and body. My name is Devanshi, and you are watching the Cutting Edge News enabled by 01 Network by Zerodha. If you want to learn more about AI and prompting, here's a playlist that will teach it to you from scratch.